Good afternoon, Alekia.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. So, in this mock interview, I'm going to ask the questions on Java. So far, what are the concepts you were completed in your software training?
Sorry.
What are the concepts we were completed in our training, software testing training?
Yeah, ma'am. Core Java concepts, Selenium concepts, and now we are going with test engine, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Fine. If I include one, two questions with the Selenium, is that okay?
Actually, I did not prepare Selenium, ma'am, but mm,
Okay, give it a try now.
yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Fine. So, can you break about yourself?
Yeah, myself, I'm Alekia. I'm graduated in Tirumala Engineering College in the year of 2020.
Hmm.
I joined with mm, Swhizz Technologies
Okay.
for learning automation testing.
Okay. Fine. Mm. So you prepared for Java, core Java, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the OOPS concepts we are having in Java?
Oops, concepts, ma'am. We are having abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism.
Okay. Then tell me what is polymorphism?
Uh, Single action performing in different ways.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. And in polymorphism, there are two types of polymorphism: compile time
Mm.
polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile
Correct.
time polymorphism is also called as overloading or static polymorphism. And
Mm-hmm.
runtime polymorphism is also called as dynamic polymorphism.
Mm-hmm.
In compile time itself gives a compilation of if we overload the method in same class.
Okay.
In runtime, when a method can resolve at runtime, allowing dif- different object to respond to the same method invocation in different ways.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. What do you know about the constructors?
It is a special method in the class which is having the same name as the class name.
Okay. What are the properties we're having with the constructor? What
Mm,
we can do with this with that special method?
Method overloading is possible with constructor. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it is neither void nor written anything.
Yes, correct.
And we can call the parent class constructor by using super keyword also.
Nice.
By using this keyword, we can also call the same class constructor this keyword.
Okay. Is
And
constructor is a static or non-static?
static.
Static.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How you can make sure the constructor is static?
Um,
Static means without creating any object, can you call the constructor?
Ma'am?
So you said now that method overloading is possible. Method
Yeah.
overloading, the same constructor name should be in the class, right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
overloading means you have to pass the arguments. So then
Argument.
how you can do call the, like for example, two parameterized constructor you taken. How you can do call that without using, without, with a static. Can you do call that?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you practiced the constructors?
Constructors. Yeah, ma'am. Practiced long back ago.
Okay. Uh, what are the different locators we are having in Selenium?
Locators. There are eight, ma'am. Name,
Mm-hmm.
expert,
Mm-hmm.
class, ID,
Mm-hmm.
partial link test, and
Mm-hmm.
tag name, and one another CSS selectors.
Okay, fine. Uh, are you feasible to share your screen to write a logic in Java?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give you one question here. Please read it once.
Okay.
That I'm writing. Write a logic for prime number. Can you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, give it a try. So I'm just I'm giving host access for you. You can do share the screen
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
you can write the logic. Okay, so from now you can do share the screen and you please do start writing. If you are feasible to write Eclipse, it's okay. If you are unable to write the logic in Eclipse, you can also write in Notepad.
Ma'am, can I write in notepad if it is okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
So is the share screen option enabled? I'm not seeing your screen yet.
No, ma'am. Present. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
I'm not getting.
Yes, I can see your screen. Alekya.
Okay.
Yeah, you opened Eclipse, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Prime numbers, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And, equals to 0. Into 5, equals to మ్యామ్ 2 minutes. నా సిస్టమ్ కొంచెం స్లో ఉంది.
It's okay. That's okay. Can you explain the code what you written and what exactly you want it to do?
ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ 1 to 100 తీసుకున్నాను మ్యామ్.
Okay.
Prime number means it divisible by itself or divisible by 1.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Yes.
ma'am, it can. So divisible by itself and divisible by 100. So అందుకని చెప్పి percentage I అనేది ఒక ఇంటిజర్ కింద తీసుకుని 2 ని చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో లూప్ అనేది లోడ్ అవుతుంది, కంటిన్యూస్ రన్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ.
Okay.
మ్యామ్ రన్ చేయను.
Yeah, you can. So can you show me the beginning numbers?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now can you explain me the code again?
1 to 100 prime numbers తీసుకున్నాను మ్యామ్. సో prime numbers means divisible by itself and divisible by 1. సో I is equals to 2 అని తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ if I percentage 0 equals to j equals to 0 లో లూప్ అనేది కంటిన్యూస్ ప్రాసెస్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే.
సో దాని నుంచి అవుట్పుట్ అనేది వస్తుంది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. So do we require two for loops here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, for this you require two for loops. So we can also write the logic for the prime numbers in simple with a single for loop also. Okay, just you can take a single for loop.
Okay.
And whatever the number you want to test. So whatever the code you written is for to print 1 to 100 numbers or 1 to 1000 numbers or like that.
Okay.
So as that I simply asked that the number whatever you entered is a prime number or not. Okay. So for that you can simply take one for loop and you can do iterate like I remainder value is equal to 0. Okay. So if you get equal to 0 more than the numbers, that is not a prime number. If you get only by itself and 1, that is a prime number. Okay. So what you written is also correct.
ఇది అప్పుడు ఇది తీసుకునే పని ఉండదు కదా మ్యామ్ మనం 8th లైన్.
Yeah, so but there you can just come to know the number, whatever the number you entered is a prime number or not, that.
Yeah,
that
only single number. For single number we'll use only 6th line.
Yes, single for loop is enough. If you want to more the numbers like 100 or 1000 or 50, like that the code what you written is correct. Good. And the thing what you mistaken is when I'm asking about the constructor's properties. Constructor is a non-static method always. It's not a static. Okay, constructor cannot be called without creating object. Can be called only by object creation only. Okay, that is the one thing you given in a wrong way of explanation.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm done with this interview. And do you have any questions to me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you, Alika. I'm ending the session here.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.